Hi guys, welcome to the introduction of my YouTube channel Hollander Projects. I am Andre from the Netherlands, and in my upcoming videos I'd like to share my passion for restoring old things and creating other things, like this massive workbench which I made a few years ago. I have a few items in mind which I'm going to work on. For instance, these two cool Tonka models from the 60s. The copper heater over there, I think it's from the 1930s. This red signal light from the Dutch railroads from the 50s. A couple of planes, especially this bendable circular plane, which is more than 100 years old. And this very heavy, ancient sewing machine, which was my grandma's. Last but not least, this World War II torch. I'd like to research what I'm working on, so I'm also going to share some interesting facts and background information of each item. This truck, for instance, was produced in 1965. It was part of the Mighty series, the start of the worldwide expansion and incredible success of the Tonka toy factory. So please like and subscribe to stay tuned for some cool restore videos and more. Hope to see you soon. Cheers!